Welcome, friends. This is the 12 Days of DIY. Our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creates. Please check out the playlist in my description box as well as their channels in my description box, and it will also be placed in the comments. So you can easily go from video to other videos on the playlist from my description box or the comment section. If you haven't, please join the family and subscribe, because you will be finding 12 new DIYs in the next 12 days. Okay, this is from the Dollar Tree. It's in their plus section. It's $3. I was looking for a big ornament. This is the biggest one I could find. I had inspiration from Nick Credico at Nick's Seasonal Decor. He took a big ornament and he glued styrofoam on each side and then added floral to make it to hang on his porch. Well, this is the biggest I could find at the Dollar Tree, and since we're doing Dollar Tree DIYs, I'm going to show you how to upgrade this one. First, I'm going to start with cutting this off. Since we want it to hang on our porch, we want more than just that. This is just black Dollar Tree ribbon, but you could do red, you could do green, whatever colors you use in your decor. If you've been around a while, I use a lot of black and white in my decor. This year it's black and white, and I'm doing some pinks and some pastels this year. A lot of rose gold pink. So what I'm going to do is just tie a knot in this. And of course, it would be the day my fingers just doesn't feel like they want to work today. Yeah, you know. Then I'll put that down at the bottom. You could replace this with a different color ribbon. I think I'm going to keep mine, but I'm going to start with adding some. These are just Dollar Tree poinsettias. Actually, they didn't have many of these left. But you know, what I'm doing is using what they had at my Dollar Tree, because not every Dollar Tree has great quantity and great supplies. I know mine's kind of lacking sometimes. Then I'm gonna add this one. Here's what we have so far. And then I have these berries. I really like these berries. I thought these are really nice. I thought I'd add some berries, and it's got a little pine here. to trim this a little lower. I'm going to just add some berries. And you can get like I said, if you get bigger ornaments, you could definitely add styrofoam and fill it out even more. Add some floral foam on each side and fill it out with pine and poinsettias and berries. But mine isn't that big. But there is our finished product. This is my ornament. You could make a couple of these to hang in place of your hanging baskets for Christmas on your front porch. Okay, I just noticed I have this left. I'm going to just go ahead and add it, because why leave this one sprig of pine to not be in our project. Okay, here is our little ornament that I made. I made it to hang on our front porch. But as you can see, it would also be cute hanging on a door. If you want something different, just to put on your front door, this would be perfect. Tell me what you think.